Hello guys, so now I will show you how to self-test VHF for the JRC. Self-test for JRC. And let's go to menu. First step, menu. Scroll down. Go to maintenance, number 8. Click self-diagnosis, enter. Click transceiver and start checking off. Click all and wait for all okay. And when all okay, it's okay, and click cancel and go to controller. Click enter. Wait for alarm. And that's it. Just cancel. Please press enter to stop the sound. All done. Cancel. And after that, transceiver lag. You will see the transceiver lag, control lag, and after that the last one is DSC loop. Click enter again, and wait for OK. So the loop is okay, and that's it. Cancel and go to main menu, back, cancel, and that's it. That's how you self-test JRC VHF controller.